play a rival. Ako naman yung naka-off camera. Yo. Oh, granada. Ed. Brrr. Oh man, I hate it. Yup. Come on.
Let me open up.
Brr, I hate. What naman ako?
So good.
Nah. Okay, guys. I'm playing some games. Berbalo, lila, kabaril ako kusini. Tung sao. I'm gonna do my favorite course. Yeah, from aking dagger, katana, and mama kid. Bamboo. Ay, crossbow versus ano? Ay, crossbow versus bamboo. Bam.
God damn.
What the fuck? You had been training, you know.
The number that you have dialed is currently. Please call
Oh,
again later.
you hate my blog. Oh, you make me sad. Now you have to over there. Oh, shit. Gotta do some birds. Beram. Wait lang. Come on, bro. I hate barber patapin. Yes. I can't move. Why I can't move? Wait lang. I can't move. I said I can't move.
Parang si Speed eh.
Nice, 2 to 3. Wait lang. Wait lang, ha? A web by one or a wide by one.
Open nga! Ako! Open ako! Hawak!
Freak! Don't wanna play like that, huh? Gotta do some better. Just playing, dude. If I get my serious mode. Hey, yo, chill, bro. You cannot see me, bro. Because I'm pretty invisible. Nah, bro. Oh, you thought, bro.
Punida!
No. I hate it.
Sayang.
Told you I'm serious now. Have to get real serious, bro. Tung sahur, sahur. Din. Madin din. Are you joking? Are you joking, Ethan? Are you joking?
Ito na ang tatay mo! Leonard! Ito na si Leandong!
Keep on lag ko.
Ito na si Leandong!
Wait lang. Lalag ako.
Ito na si Leandong!
Bakit ka?
Ito na
Uwi
si
na ka?
Leandong!
Bakit eh?
Sama.
Alam ko nga, narinig ko na mukha. Ikaw pumaroon. Ano ka sinabi ko? Ayaw ko. Bruh. the heck? Oh, one, yeah. Ah, dude. Boom. Oh, freak, I hate that.
Meron akong basuka now.
Plants?
Okay.
Okay, we're in now. Now let's. This is my piece. Yeah, let me show you on the camera. Tapos sa inyo?
Susunod daw si Leonard.
Ako ito mo. That's you did. Ay, gusto mo pag ako'y nag-reach ng ng 15K. Gusto mo kong mag-free giveaway. Magpapamigay ako mga plants. So, dito, laki-laki.
Ready, battle na ako.
Pwede ko pwede mag-battle? Itan? 50k per second ang damage na rito mo. 52. Late na rin ha, diba? Tingnan daw yung ano? Yung ano? Yung ano?
Teka.
Pero yung mo.
Yung ano?
Yung ano, yung ano, ano yun? Yung parang cactus. Hindi yan, iyon. Yung cactus. Anong ginagawa niyan? Ha, pwede ka mag-spawn.
Hindi.
Yan, ginagawa niyan. Pwede ka dyan mag-spawn?
Hindi na.
Ano nga? Gusto mo ng grape na gold? Malaki?
Ay, gusto. Nagano pa ako babate.
Itante mo to. King, pahingi daw siya ng 5 zio. Ayoko nga. I have a
Mamaya pairam Leonard dahil kailangan ko sa river. Kinulungan kita.
Ikaw pa yung natanawan to. Ha?
Si Kuya yung ano natanawan, ako yung ninja.
Oh, ninja. Hindi ha. Ano nga pangalan mo ulit? Pangalan.
Master,
Ninja.
ninja master.
Ninja, tulong! Parto kayo tan? Per trade yun eh. At least pwede ko pa yung makuha. Ba't ako nga sa base ko? You have a chung sahur. You fat, you ugly, dami yung poor. Chung sahur. You fat, you ugly, and dami yung poor.
Parang ako bate.
Easy, looking creaky. Is that they gonna street? You quick as well, the yodels and stuff. You should buy jewelry soak. You think you can well, keep this going down. We take you out of the water. You decide to shut your mouth, well. Ethan. Kansas City is restock. What? Kansas City just restock. Look, it's 5 of them. Look. Oh my gosh. Yo, I love this game. Ito mamaya, 99 nights. Why? Ito, nandito din aking ang aking sarili, yung aking first name, yung Leonard. Meron din akong ganun. Ito lang daw shortest name.
Ano?
Yung L. Tsaka yung W. Dito mo 6-7 ko. Itan. 6 Ben. 6 Itan. 6 Ben. 6 Ben. Laki. Ito mong underworld ko 6-7. Itan. 6 Ben. 6 Ben. 6 Ben. Pwede ko kaya i-PS yung aking 6-7? Maybe. Kita PPS ko yung aking yung aking 6-7. Makikita mo mamaya kung sino ngayon yung pinakamalakas. Ako! Joke lang, akong pinakamapogi eh. Itan. Itan? Itan? What the fuck? Pato ka. Ayaw mo? Bahala.
May isla din eh. Tingnan mo. Kaya ko itong... Yan.
No.
Tingnan mo.
Billboard. Book. 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 Here comes the Big Daddy. Ito ko sa aking garden. Nagang battle.
Naka na yung ano.
Ito. Malaki din to. Shoutout ka naman po sa akin. Wait lang.
Shoutout.
Wait lang.
Yo, Yo, shut up. Yo, shut the Gorilla Man Dance versus Renewal Gamer.
Ever. Oh, freak. This ad again. Bro, stop laughing, bro. I said stop laughing.
Guys, work call.
If you want these plans like this, make sure to like and subscribe. If I had 15 subscribers, I will give out these plans to you, one of you guys. And this is my subscriber. It's called the Ninja Master. And I will give him my best. Why not? If I get 1K subscribers. Bruh.
Thank you, bro. Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Ito good ba to? Yung karabing ito.
No.
Ito?
No.
Good. Okay, bye-bye, bro. I'm gonna go to my house and just rest.
Okay.
Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.